Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is our first upload in 2 years, but I will show you a lot of things has changed. I bought my first property and I've been working hard to make this the headquarters for our next seasons. But let's get you updated with the renovations and moving process.
The big day. It's moving time.
Die huizen, hè? Die huizen, naamje, met het huis. Ja.
The property lays on 23 acres with a double garage to work on all upcoming projects. A huge garden connected to the forest with tons of dirt trails and plenty of space to create a dirt track for the Sur-ron and the Keihin e-bikes. The dirt track videos are actually getting shot while we speak, so that's something for upcoming weeks. I want to have a professional skateboarder bridge the gap between both garages, maybe installing a huge zip line, plenty of ideas. I'm temporarily setting up all my studio equipment in the kitchen, close to the outside, close to the fridge and my coffee maker. I also asked my good buddy to repaint the whole house. Although the dogs seem to like every bit of it, this was midsummer 2024 and I can assure you it was pretty hot and we were far from finished. I have carpeted a small previous office space which leads to the master bedroom to use as a dressing. It all sounds pretty fancy, but just realize there's just no other space to put all my clothes otherwise. Ain't gonna stop until it ain't no more.
Ladies and gentlemen.
So, it was time to move the bikes. My mopeds were stored at a friend's place due to lack of room where I lived the past 2 years. I finally got enough room to start hoarding it here. Maybe get a few goats or alpacas to roam around. I mean, this is actually a place I can grow old and do everything I like. The most heartwarming part, of course, is to see Casper being so happy as he is, giving so much love and appreciation, but also getting so much love from everyone. Meanwhile, we're already a few weeks in, getting used to sleeping in a new bed, playing pool tournaments with marginal lighting, and adopting an old stray cat. The cat's called Mieke, she's 18 years old and actually got adopted from one of our kitten litters that many years ago. So this is how my morning looks like with a golden retriever. Taking a little walk, drinking my morning coffee, me just chilling, Casper acting all crazy and getting zoomies every 20 minutes. But mainly thinking about next projects to start off from. My Sur-ron needs a little maintenance as the rear brake gave out completely and I've been dying to get it dialed in again to take it back up to the racetrack of Spa-Francorchamps with its new tire setup. As far concerned the tune itself, the Sur-ron still got plenty more torque than every other scooter on the track in amateur class. Although I'm still thinking of buying a Stark Fark, the Sur-ron and Aerox are obvious the most powerful toys we'll get to play with and work on this summer. And this is a little preview of how it looked like after painting and renovating. Now we're again a few months later, a lot of things has changed. Because the bikes are electric, I love to keep them warm during winters and fall. I'm also an airsoft enthusiast, so those guns are unreal, of course. And I also run a record label, if you notice the plaques in the hallway. So, my deepest apologies for making this video so cheesy and maybe a bit out of context of what you're used to on this channel. I personally just wanted to register and save these memories in a sort of way. Past year has been crazy on a personal level, but we're getting back on track and got tons of things lined up for this summer. After a bit of maintenance, we take the electric bikes for a little spin. She lands in the hospital and we will be showing the progress on the dirt track as well. We also took the Sur-ron to Raceland Kart, close to Holland, to test and humble my skills on a small indoor track, and I'm dusting off the Aerox for its first run after 2 winters of silence. So please subscribe if you aren't yet and give us a like to show your love and support. We would appreciate this a lot. Thank you for watching.